Hello to all. Today's topic is how to install Rasa and Rasa. Let's start. First, we have to install our Anaconda from this link. Okay. After click on download, we have two links. It is for 64-bit. It is for 32-bit. After installing the Anaconda, we have to create our environment with Python 3.7. After creating the environment, we have to activate like that. I have an environment. Mm, by using this command, we have for creating an environment we have to use this command. In here we have to provide our environment name, and I have environment name as Rasa demo, so I have to activate that. After that we have to install some libraries. For that we have to write this command. I already installed all these libraries, so step to step we have to do this. Conda install tensorflow. If you are installing first time, it will take 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure that we have to install all these libraries. The first four steps is all about Rasa-X. Not it is only about Rasa, and we have to download this link, Visual C++. Rasa has its some dependencies, so it is for 32-bit, and after that we have to install Rasa-X. It provides a UI for our chatbot. After activate our environment, we have to write this command: copy and paste. If you are installing first time, it will take some time. Then we have to install pip install rasa spacy. In this library downloads the English package for our chatbot. And after downloading the English package, we have to link it from our spacy library. We can see that it is already linked. So after installing all these libraries, we have a inbuilt chatbot in our Rasa. So we can create it in our direct directory from this command Rasa init. Now it says you want to make it in our simple directory, current directory. I said yes, yes, yes. Now it is training our model. It is train our model to talk. Now go to our directory. All these files made automatically. And after training a model, it will create a new folder here known as model. I think I should restart it. Now see our models folder is ready. Now it is asking that you want to run your mod chatbot or not. I said yes. Now our chatbot server is working on this server in this port. Now it will ask that write something over here. I said hi. Now chatbot is asking that how hey how are you? Now I can write here said. Now it send an image and we can actually make an UI for that. So let's stop it. Okay, stop. Now our server is stopped and I am asking it Rasa-X. Now it will open a link in our browser. Now see some of the SQLite or database is created over here to record our chats. Now it is an inbuilt UI for our chatbot. So we can talk to our bot right now. Talk to your bot. Now I will say hi. Now our chatbot is asking that this is all about our Rasa chatbot.